Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. Today's a really fun video. We're going to do another experiment with our brand new pan from LloydPans. I'll put a link to this pan underneath the video in the description box and also in the comment section. In the last video where I used this pan, I did an experiment with 132 and 131 grams of dough. In this one here, this is 180 grams of dough. So I'm going to get a little bit of olive oil down in the bottom. I think that's good. Let's just move all of that around. Alright, that's good. And this dough here is 48 hours old. So this was in the fridge for 2 days. So I'm going to gently remove it. Very nice dough. You can see it's really active here. I took this out of the fridge about 30 minutes ago or so. I'm going to bring it out and then we're just going to get it into the pan. I want to make sure I'm on camera. And then I'm just going to push it down. Now this is experiment number 2. So we're going from 132 grams of dough up to 180, and I'll probably push it up a little bit more, up to that 200 grams in the next video for our little test. I'm just going to push all of that in there. Okay, that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to let this proof a little bit because the dough is cold. It's been sitting in the fridge for 2 days, half an hour. I can touch it. It's still pretty cold, so I want to let that come up a little bit warmer. You see what's nice about these pans? You can get the lid that fits this perfectly. Watch this. So you don't have to mess around with plastic wrap. You just place that right on there, just like that. So I'm going to leave this here until I see a little bit of activity, and then we're going to get some cheese on it and we're going to bake it. So I'll let that go and I'll be back in a little while. Hey everybody, I'm back, and this is about 90 minutes later. I'm going to lift up the nice little lid on here and you can see the nice rise that we got on that pizza dough. So that looks really good. Yeah, whoa, that is nice and airy, really nice. So I've got some mozzarella cheese, and I am going to start adding that in here. I'm going to try to get some of that cheese down the sides. Get a nice little crispy edge. So let's get some cheese in here. Just push that in like that. I'm trying to wedge that cheese down. I could actually just give a little bit of a push like that. Yeah, this actually works pretty well. Yeah, that looks good. So again, that is 180 grams of dough for this one here. So at this point, I'm going to go bake this and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, this just came out of the oven and it is extremely hot. So I did this for 10.5 minutes. I was going to let it go 11, but the cheese was really browning quickly, so I figured at 10.5 minutes I'd bring it out. It's super hot, so I got to let it cool down before I take it out of the pan. And the baking temperature was 246 degrees Celsius or 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This is still pretty warm, but I can't wait any longer. I can touch it at least. Let's just bring this out. Check it out. Oh, that's nice. Let's bring that there. Remove our pan. And let's take a look at this. Look at that. You get that nice edge of that cheese. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. Look at that. Can you see that? That is nice. Very, very nice. Even on the sides here, look at that. Oh, this smells amazing. I can't wait anymore. Let's cut into this. Oh, hear that little bit of a crunch. Look at this. Oh, really nice. Wow. I gotta go in for a bite. That is so good. That was amazing. The cheese in combination with that olive oil that I put into the pan. Oh, so good. That olive oil is all in there. Can you see that? Oh, so delicious. So there we go. Another fun video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, I'm over there as well at BakeLikeAPro. If you love cheesy bread, you're going to love this. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. And I am going in for another bite. This is so good. Wow. So good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.